like and subscribe. Today we're going to be making a Kazoo. We're going to be making a Kazoo. So let's get started. The materials you'll need are paper tube, glue, construction paper, any color you want. I want that to go flowing away. Markers for decoration, a rubber band, and 4x4 foil, 4x4 napkins, and 4x4 plastic. And all you have to do is basically for 4x4 is cut a square. And this rubber band for securing it. And last but not least, a pencil. So let's get started. You basically want to start it. You basically want it to roll, and basically you have to align it. And there has to be a little green paper on the sides. So I aligned it, and then we're just gonna start rolling it like Cinnabons. We actually need to glue it over here, or else it won't stay. I don't have magic. And now you can see I have this. So now, time for the fun part. Decoration! So, you can do any decoration you want. So, just like I told you, just come here and take a sharpened pencil and just do this and push it. So, just start poking a hole inside the center of the kazoo. Now, and only one. Now, for the testing. And now we're gonna start testing, taking any order you want. I want to start with plastic, and I'm just gonna pull it down, kind of. And I'm gonna take this rubber band and put it right here. Now, check how it feels. Hello, Kazoo. I'm saying Kazoo. Kazoo. Now feel it over here about this. Yeah. Kazoo. 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 And then where the hole is, try holding it here and see what it sounds like. Hello, hello, hello. See how it kind of vibrates more? Yeah. And now, try it with the other ones. Hello, hello. Now, try it with the other one. So, yeah. Mama! Mama! Kazoo! 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 Now hold the thing. Kazoo! Kazoo! Oh yeah. Thanks for watching my channel. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye!